Welcome back to my channel, Business Reverse Solutions. Today, I have an exciting topic to discuss that will greatly benefit all you internet marketing enthusiasts out there. We'll be diving into the world of YouTube SEO and specifically how to improve your video rankings using video tags. But before we get started, if you find this information valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of my future uploads relating to YouTube SEO and other valuable topics that will help you as an internet marketer. So let's jump in. So, how to improve YouTube SEO with video tags. When it comes to ranking your YouTube videos higher in search results, proper optimization is crucial. So one of the most effective ways to do this is by utilizing video tags. So in this video, I will explain what video tags are, why they are important, and how do you use them to boost your YouTube SEO. So what are video tags? Video tags are descriptive keywords or phrases that you add to your YouTube video. These tags provide additional context about the content of your video and help YouTube's algorithm understand what your video is all about. So when users search for a particular topic, how to train my dog, YouTube scans through these video tags to determine the most relevant content display in the search results. So why are video tags important? Well, video tags are so important for improving your YouTube SEO. Firstly, because video tags help your videos appear in relevant search results, making it easier for potential viewers to find your content. Secondly, they increase your video's visibility on YouTube, leading to more organic views and potentially boosting your subscriber count. Lastly, video tags can also help YouTube recommend your videos on the sidebar, increasing the chances of getting more views and engagement. All right, let's look at how to use video tags effectively. So now that you understand the importance of video tags, we need to discuss how you can use them to improve your YouTube SEO. So I've got four ways essentially to help you. So the first one is research relevant keywords. So start by researching keywords that are relevant to your video's content. Tools like Google Trends, YouTube Autocomplete, or keywords research tools can help you find the most popular and frequently researched terms related to your topic. I did another video on finding keywords, so check that one out if you struggle with this. Second is you need to choose a mix of broad and specific tags. So when you're selecting your video tags, include a mix of broad tags, so popular keywords with high search volume, and specific tags, which are long tail keywords specific to your video's content. This combination ensures your video appears in both popular and in niche searches. Next, number 3, be descriptive. Make sure your video tags accurately describe the content of your video. Use specific phrases that potential viewers might search when looking for videos on your topic. So, how to train my puppy to go to the bathroom, for example. This will help YouTube's algorithm understand your content better. And number 4, stay relevant. Right? Avoid using misleading or unrelated tags, as this can harm your channel's credibility. So use tags that are directly related to the video's content to ensure you attract the right audience. All right, some additional tips. So before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when using video tags for YouTube SEO. Number 1, use variations of your main tags to cover different search terms. Number 2, don't overstuff your video tags. Aim for around 5 to 8 tags per video. Number 3, monitor and adjust your video tags based on their performance over time. And lastly, keep an eye on competitor tags to learn from their strategies. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to improve your YouTube SEO using video tags. I hope you found this video helpful. As a bonus, if you go down into the description, you will see a link that will allow you to get a free video upload checklist. This is the same video upload checklist that I use when I upload my YouTube videos. So if you want to grab that, see it in the description below. Again, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your internet marketing friends. And remember to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.